Attendance is mandatory for both seated and online classes here at Coastal. And there's three things it's imperative that you understand. How is your attendance recorded? How many classes can you miss before you're administratively dropped? And what is your instructor's policy on reinstatement? The answers to these questions will help you achieve Semester Welcome Module Learning Objective 1.6, Understanding the Attendance Policy. Your class's full attendance policy can be found in the syllabus or by clicking on the Attendance Policy tab on the left-hand side of your screen in Blackboard. First, let's talk about how attendance is recorded. This course is offered in a HYFLEX format, which means there are two different ways you can attend class. The first is called synchronously, which means you attend class in person or via a live webcast, and roll is taken in a traditional manner. The second is asynchronously, where you complete work at your own pace, and your attendance is recorded based on the number of assignments you complete. Each time you participate synchronously or asynchronously, you have engaged in what's called an academic activity. In order to be marked present for all hours of instruction for a week, you must participate in at least 2 academic activities, in any combination, either synchronously or asynchronously. For instance, let's say during the first week, you decide to come and sit in class for the first session and watch the second session in a live webcast. Those would count as your 2 academic activities for the week, and you'd be marked as present for all hours of instruction. During the next week of classes, you decide to attend synchronously by watching a webcast and then completing one of the graded assignments on your own at home. Once again, you've completed 2 academic activities, and you'll be marked as present for all hours of instruction for the week. Now, the obvious correlation is that if you don't complete at least 2 academic activities during a week, you'll be marked as absent. For this class, since we meet twice a week, failure to complete 1 academic activity means you'll be marked absent for 1/2 of the contact hours for a week. Missing 2 academic activities means you'll be marked absent for all contact hours for the week. The next question you want to ask is, how many hours can I miss before I'm administratively dropped from this course? And for this course, the answer is a total of 4 hours of instruction, or 2 academic weeks. If you are administratively dropped, you'll want to understand your instructor's policy on reinstatement. I encourage you in the strongest possible terms to request reinstatement regardless of the reason for your absences. Reinstatement is always at the instructor's discretion. Do your best to communicate the reasons for your absences to your instructor, preferably before they happen. And make sure that you're keeping up with your assignments during the semester so that your instructor believes you have a chance of success if they do reinstate you. This concludes our review of the 3 questions you'll need to understand when reviewing your instructor's attendance policy. You're now ready to move on to the next video in the Semester Welcome module.